Okay, we are to graph this inequality. Y is greater than negative 4/5 x. Y is greater than negative 4/5 x. If you notice, there's nothing else over here. There's no plus a constant number, plus b. So in that case, if they don't give us a b, we would add plus 0. So we would add plus 0 here. So using slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, to graph this, my b value, or my beginning spot on the y-axis, would be 0. And then my m, or my slope, would be negative 4/5. So to graph this, we would begin at the point of origin 0, 0, which is right here. And then my slope would be negative 4/5. So I'd fall 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'd run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For my second point. And because my inequality sign right here is just greater than. If you remember, greater than would be a dashed line. But if I had greater than or equal to, it'd be a solid line. Well, because this is just greater than, we'd use the top one. So our line will be a dashed line. Kind of like so. A dashed line. But we're not done yet. We still need to figure out which way to shade. Well, I've always told you to use the point of origin to figure out where to shade. But in this case, our line crosses through the point of origin. So I'm going to pick the next point that is easiest, for me, in my mind at least, and that's 1, 1. 1, 1. So my x value would be 1. My y value would be 1. And I'm going to plug it into our original equation up here. So instead of y is greater than negative 4/5 x, it'd be 1 is greater than negative 4/5 times, and my x value is 1 as well now. Well, any number times 1 is itself, so negative 4/5 times 1 is 4/5. So I would have 1 is greater than negative 4/5. Is that a true statement? And yes, it is a true statement. So all my shading will be everything above, everything that contains the point 1, 1. So all of this would be shaded in.